Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, lived a curious boy named Leo. One sunny morning, Leo discovered a mysterious map tucked away in his grandfather's attic. The map promised treasure hidden deep within the enchanted woods. Excited and determined, Leo embarked on his adventure, accompanied by his loyal dog, Patch. Through tangled vines and bubbling brooks, they journeyed, following the map's cryptic clues. Along the way, they encountered mischievous fairies, friendly woodland creatures, and daunting challenges. As the sun dipped low in the sky, Leo and Patch finally reached the heart of the forest. There, beneath a gnarled oak tree, they unearthed a chest overflowing with sparkling gems and shimmering coins. But the true treasure, Leo realized, was the unforgettable journey and the bond forged with his faithful companion. With their pockets full and hearts brimming with joy, Leo and Patch returned home, their adventure etched into the pages of their memories forever. And as the stars twinkled overhead, Leo drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the countless adventures yet to come.